Why am I sore after a chiropractic adjustments? Imagine feeling a bit stiff or achy after a visit to the chiropractor. If you have osteoarthritis, this soreness might seem confusing or even concerning. But it's actually a common part of the healing process. When a chiropractor adjusts your joints, they use gentle, controlled forces to improve movement. For those with osteoarthritis, these forces stretch muscles, ligaments, and tissues around the affected joints. Since these tissues may already be tight or inflamed from joint wear and tear, the stretching can cause mild soreness, similar to how muscles feel after starting a new exercise. This soreness usually lasts just a day or two and is a sign that your body is responding to the treatment. Adjustments also increase blood flow to the area, which is part of your body's natural healing. This increased circulation can cause temporary inflammation, leading to aches or soreness. When joints are stiff or have lost some mobility due to cartilage loss or bone changes, restoring movement can make surrounding muscles and tissues work harder to adapt. This adjustment period might cause some discomfort as your body gets used to the new joint position. Sometimes, the nerves or muscles might be irritated slightly during the manipulation, especially if there is pre-existing inflammation from osteoarthritis. This irritation can contribute to soreness but usually resolves quickly. People with osteoarthritis tend to be more sensitive to these effects because their tissues are already compromised. The degenerative changes in cartilage and bones make tissues more reactive to manipulation. However, chiropractors tailor their techniques to be gentle and safe for each person, aiming to minimize discomfort. To help manage soreness, applying heat or ice to the area can be effective. Gentle activity and following any stretches or exercises your chiropractor recommends can also support recovery. It's important to communicate openly about how you feel after each session so your chiropractor can adjust your treatment plan if needed. Remember, while chiropractic adjustments won't reverse osteoarthritis, they can improve joint mobility and muscle function. This often leads to less pain and stiffness over time. The initial soreness is just your body's way of responding to the changes happening in your joints. With ongoing care, many people find their daily discomfort decreases and their movement improves. So, if you notice some soreness after your chiropractic visit, know it's a normal part of the process and usually a good sign that your body is adjusting to the treatment.